This is just a safety tip. Okay, here's those 10 shot strip to put in a nail gun to shoot those nails down. Now, lots of times, like when I used to use these, I would make sure that I got all of them, because every once in a while when you cock the gun, you might miss one, or one might miss fire, or you start on the second one instead of the first one, or something like that. So I always, whenever I picked those up, I would always look at them and see if all of them had shot. And on this one, all of them have, but every once in a while you come across one of these, and one of these shots has not fired yet, and that's like a cartridge that is still live. And so I would pick those up and try to shoot them, and you know, when I got ready to shoot them again, I would use up all my strips. You know, if the fourth one was still unshot, or the very first one, I try to shoot those first. I would never throw these away with the shot that's still in there. Okay, and if you happen to see something like that, don't just leave them laying around, especially for a kid to find in the garage, or something that you decided to save a couple of these. You take that and hit it with a hammer or something, it's going to explode in your face or do something. So, you know, for safety reasons, if you ever see any of these, and if there's one here, don't throw away the whole strip yet, okay? But also pick them up and don't just leave them strewn around. All right, there's your tip for the day. Oh, I'm glad that's over with. Hey, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.